During the technological design process, the situation represented includes writing the specifications. What is that?
What do you mean? You wanted something that would hold your cell phone.
But how's that going to help me when I'm lying down? Besides, the phone would be too far away.
Well, how was I supposed to know that?
In this situation, there were no specifications about what was wanted. The specifications document enables us to specify the need and the various constraints when designing any technical object. But why is it necessary to have clear and precise specifications? Because the person who manufactures the object isn't always the same person who thought of it. The first specification to identify is the overall function of the object. So, what will the object be used for? Here, the function of the object is to enable a user who is lying down to look at a cell phone screen without holding it in their hands. Then, we determine the constraints of the object. The constraints must consider the physical, technical, industrial, economic, human, and environmental milieu. The physical environment refers to where the object will be used. Do we need to think about an object that is wind and water resistant? In a bedroom? Not really. So we need an object built with resistant materials for normal indoor use. The technical environment refers to the other technical objects that are required to manufacture the main object. For my prototype, I have to specify certain types of clamps, springs, and types of surfaces to help build the object that will hold my cell phone. The industrial environment refers to the conditions needed to manufacture the object. I don't have access to an assembly line. I will specify that the item will be made in my school's workshop. The economic environment refers to the financial constraints surrounding the manufacturing, sale, and maintenance of the object. How much can I afford to invest in purchasing the materials? No more than $20. The human environment is specific to the person who will use the object. For example, reading distance must be considered. I want the object to be light, easy to maintain, and easy to attach.
And easy to fix. Whoever fixes the object matters too.
Anyway, I don't plan on breaking it. I don't like waste. I could specify that the item must be recyclable and made from recycled materials. So by taking into account the impact that the object has on the environment, we also consider the environmental constraints.
Now I get it.
To wrap up, the purpose of specifications when manufacturing any object is to have a clear and precise goal. It enables us to consider all the constraints. It's a bit like a contract. Once the specifications are complete, it's time to move on to the next step in the design process.